if you're actually a hater, you might see this now. So, since this is a paper, your friend, and you're a bully, you crumble it 1 minute, and you crumble it 1 hour, you crumble it 1 day, you crumble it 2 days, Hoy! And you crumble it 3 days, and then you crumble it 4 days. Hoy! Hoy! And then you crumble it. Ayaw! Then you crumble it 3 days. And 4 days, you crumble it 4 days. Ay! When you crumble it 4 days, 5 days, and then you crumble it 5 days, you will crumble it 6 days. Then you crumble it in 6. Ay! You crumble it in 6 days. Ay! And then you cover it at 6 days. No, see, it's no crumbled. You fix it. Start! Start! Okay. And there, and you try to fix it. See, it's no crumbled. And you try to say sorry to the paper. You tried doing this. You tried uncrumbling it. Even doing this. And you do this to the paper.
Lagi, uy.
I hate my brother, guys. Comment my brother L.
Yung ano doon,
Okay, and this happens. You try to uncrumble it, but it's already crumbled. You try to stick solid to the paper. Your trust is all gone. And your trust is all gone. God will never like you. When God never like you, He will send you to hell in deepness of pit of sadness. Okay? And if this paper needs to be fixed, who bullied it will go to hell. And they bad. They crumble the paper for their own, for the paper's mistake. What? The paper didn't do anything. It's not alive. What? Guess what, haters? You'll go to hell because you crumbled the paper. If you crumble the paper, you'll go to hell.
saka lang.
Ay!
Crumble the paper, mga ito na sa hell.
Dilo yung sabang ng ako! Ay! Sabang ko! Oh. Ay, sir!
Ayaw lagi siya, diyan ka na mo ron din hiron. At pinami sa gawas.
Kira na! Sige na!
Ayaw ka pala na ma.
Yes, look.
Ayaw ka pala na ha.
Sabang.
Kabak ka talo.
See, since it's already very crumbled, you cannot fix it, so you'll go to hell.